Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can make Google Docs toolbar bigger and smaller. So I will show you perfect process. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs and you can see my page, and that toolbar is looks very small. So what we can do to make it reset or make it default size? So we need to just select your control key on your keyboard, hit the control key on your keyboard, and just scroll up and down your mouse wheel. Okay, so once you see this icon, you need to just click on the reset. Then your page will be reset like this. Okay, if you want to make it smaller, just hit the control key and just scroll your mouse wheel. It will be go small. And if you want to increase the size of the toolbars, just increase the size. 100 is a default size. Okay, you can reset it from here. Also you can minimize or maximize that size. Okay, so you can reset with the 100%. If you don't have mouse, or if your mouse not working, then you can use the shortcuts key, which is control. Hit the control button on your keyboard, hold it and press your plus button to make bigger and minus button to the for the smaller toolbar view. Okay, and if your Google Docs page percentage is like this, so your page will be look like very bigger. So you can make it 100% only, or make it, if it is small like this, you can make it 100%, or you can also, okay. So that is how you can make your Google Docs toolbar bigger and smaller. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.